Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable open application in background Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to enable open application in background Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To enable open application in background, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon, and tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here in the General menu. Now here there is a System menu. And tap on Open Application in Background. By activating this feature, Microsoft Teams will run automatically in the background without displaying the main window, so that it can still receive notifications without disturbing other activities. So that's it, the tutorial how to enable open application in background Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.